Welcome to a SOMA Live Art presentation and guided meditation journey. SOMA Live Art is a channeled vibration. It's a portal into a higher dimension of being. As you are gazing into this live art right now, allow your intuition to reveal to you a sacred portal. A portal is an entrance into a higher realm of consciousness. Each SOMA Live Art has a portal waiting for you to enter through. So slowly take 3 deep breaths in. Relax your body. And the portal will reveal itself to you. And don't second guess yourself. Just jump right in. You have arrived. To receive a healing today, keep your focus on the portal. Take 1 more deep breath in, hold for 3 seconds, and release. This will expand your consciousness and prepare you for today's journey. And now gently close your eyes. So let's journey together to a place beyond your everyday world, to a world where you can experience yourself as a free-flowing stream of consciousness. Letting go of any tension as you feel yourself sinking into the surface you are resting on today. Becoming still more comfortable and relaxed. And releasing your stressful thoughts, letting them just drift far away. And know that in this moment, all is well. You are safe and dearly loved. The SOMA Live Art you are gazing at is called Free Flowing Stream of Consciousness. And now I would like for you to consider your attitude toward your body. The way you think about yourself when it comes to your health, well-being, and vitality. The body-mind component of health is all about the way your thoughts and feelings influence your body's ability to ward off and recover from illnesses and viruses and such. The way you think and feel about yourself can indeed affect your immune response, your digestive system, reproductive functioning, any inflammation, and more body functions. For example, beliefs like my body is strong and resilient, and I have the energy to overcome any obstacle when I need to, have a very different tone and outcome than ones like I always seem to get sick, or there's something wrong with me, I'm not healthy. So you can see how one way of thinking would keep things moving in a positive direction for optimum health, and the other would tend to set up a kind of negative or sluggish response to your entire system. Your body listens to your thoughts and responds accordingly. So today, you will have the opportunity to focus on your body and your health in a very positive way. We're adjusting your thinking and helping your entire system to become brighter and stronger. Your health and well-being is my priority because I love you, and I want you to be healthy and happy, body, mind, and spirit. And working with a program like this one today can make a positive difference, so let's get started. Imagine you are surrounded by a bubble of light, clear and perfect bubble. And within this bubble, you are becoming lighter and lighter. Soon you are so light that you begin to float up into the air, through the ceiling and into the clear blue sky. You are surrounded by a bubble of light. Safe within your bubble, you float and drift across a lush forest, mountain meadows, and peaceful lakes and streams that mirror the sky above you. And nestled in the countryside below is a weathered old house with an expansive rambling garden. And you find yourself drifting gently down towards it. Soon you softly come to rest in the middle of the garden by a bubbling fountain. And you have a seat at the edge of the fountain and enjoy this lovely setting. Hear and see the beautiful blue and yellow birds. You are really enjoying this perfect summer day. And the landscaped hedges, colorful flower beds, butterflies fluttering about, and some amazing old shady trees. This place feels delightful and very magical. The sound of the fountain splashing water makes a soothing background. Take a few moments to enjoy the feeling of peace and comfort being offered to you here today. Although at first it seemed as if you were the only person here today, soon you begin to notice a few other people walking along the paths or sitting on the benches, quietly enjoying the garden also. And then someone comes and sits beside you, and their company feels very welcoming. And as if it was the most natural thing in the world, They offer you their hand, and as soon as you take their hand in yours, you feel a flood of positive energy, as if you were receiving a transfusion of love, filling you from head to toe. And take time to receive this loving energy as it continues to flow into you, clearing away any darkness and leaving you fully alive. And now listen more closely to the fountain, and you will notice that its gentle splashing sound seems to resonate within your body. The sound is creating a healing resonance, clearing, brightening, and strengthening your system. And as this occurs, it also clears your mind of any thoughts of weakness, hardship, or struggle concerning your health. It's giving you a clean mental slate. So take a few moments to experience this and simply enjoy the beautiful feeling it brings to you. The water itself has still more healing for you to experience. So if you wish, remove your shoes, turn around on the comfortable edge of the fountain, and place your feet in the water. You will find it is the perfect temperature and feels very soothing and refreshing. And experience the healing energy as it flows into your feet and ankles. And gently flows up your calves and into your knees. And feeling the healing energy flowing up your legs, hips, and reproductive organs. This positive healing energy finds its way into your abdomen and lower back. You can feel a sigh of relief as it heals all the tissues or issues of fear that you have been carrying around in your lower back. You can see this old energy dissipate from you now as it no longer serves you. And now the healing energy continues into your upper back and chest. And this beautiful healing energy of the fountain finds its way into all your organs, going wherever is needed effortlessly. And now feel it flowing into your shoulders and arms. Into your hands and out your fingertips. And it finally makes its way into your head and face, filling your eyes, ears, nose, mouth, and brain. So now healing energy is circulating throughout your entire system, bringing strength and support. And you so deserve this healing today. feel your body, mind, and emotions are adjusting to this higher vibration now. Letting go of old patterns and programs. And stepping up to a new level of wellness. And as you continue to enjoy this positive transformation, I'd like you to listen to the following affirmations and allow them to find their way deep within you. And this is where permanent changes can be made, and your body will respond accordingly. My mind is at peace, and my body is relaxed and healing. Light fills my body, mind, and emotions, and I am flooded with good health now and always. My body is a miraculous instrument, working in perfect harmony. I am healthy and strong, and I receive everything I need to stay that way always. I enjoy a healthy mental diet of good, positive thoughts. I easily adjust to life's challenges with flexibility and bounce back better than ever each and every time. Life naturally flows throughout my system, feeding my body and mind with vibrant light energy. My body is naturally in tune with nature and the world around me and operates in perfect harmony. So it will soon be time to bring this journey to a close today. But first, take a moment to thank yourself for giving yourself this gift of health and healing today. And now slowly coming back into your healthy body, wiggling your fingers and your toes, and slowly opening your eyes. As you gaze again upon this SOMA Live Art presentation, please give a prayer of gratitude to the portal that led you into a free-flowing stream of consciousness. So until the next time, take a deep breath in, smile. Your journey today is now complete. May the love in my heart go from me to you.